Hi everybody, today I'm going to be making a bracelet that looks like this it's just like beads inside of rubber bands. Okay, so first you're going to need some beads. I'm using different color beads and some rubber bands and a hook and a loom that is like different pegs. Okay. So first you're gonna take your first one and wrap it around your loom like an X. And then the second one you're going to do is, so you take a bead to do this part. So you're gonna take a bead and just run the rubber band through the bead like this. So it's like, so you have the bead just like run through the rubber band, and then you're gonna put it on the loom over top of the first one with the X, and then you're just gonna continue with that. So put the bead through the elastic like this and put it on, and you don't want to do more than 3 because 3 once you have 3, you're gonna take the bottom one, the one that you have the X on, and pull it up on both sides. So you're just gonna take the black one and pull it over all of those and up. And so you only did the cross for that only one since you were starting it. So the next one I'm gonna use is this one, and I'm going to take this bead. So I'm going to run it through here, put it on top, and then now I have 3 on it, so I'm going to take the bottom one and put it over. And then you keep doing that until you finish, until like you can, it'll be like, big enough, like long enough where you could like try it on and see, and like measure it. So I've measured my wrist and it's a pretty good size. So your next step is to take an S clip or C clip. And this part you have to be very careful that you don't take these off the whole thing. So with your hook, you're just gonna take this off. I'm gonna use an S clip, but you can use a C clip if you want. And just like hook the S clip up here. And then you're gonna do the same thing over here. So you can let go of this. Now it's on the S clip. And take this. And then put this one around the S clip too. And when you have it like this, you don't want to let go, or else the whole thing can collapse. So I'm gonna put it like that now. And now you're going to pick a side, and over here where you did the little cross, there should be like a little circle. So you're gonna take the circle here and put it on one of these again. So like one of those that you just made. And there's your bracelet.